So this is just a quick update on my 95 Panasonic that I got. Had some concerns about it having a low charge, but as you can see, all the coil ends, despite looking quite rough, but just being about dirty, are sweating. And the whole coil is wet and sweating, and you can see there's plenty of condensate down below. The air coming out of this thing, the front of this thing, is stupid cold, and the coil is really too cold to touch. It'll give you frostbite. Look at all that sweat on my hands from just touching the coil. It's an low fan now. As you can hear, the compressor is really just needed to run. It just really needed to run. It's a lot quieter now. I assume it's been sitting for a while. Well, that's all fully fed through, and since I have to run it for a while, I thought, why not blow some air on the chickens? Because, oh, there goes a mud duck. Yeah, why not blow some air on the chickens and help them out? Because they're old hens. They struggle in the heat. They haven't gotten much with the eggs because of the heat. The back coil is too hot to touch. Red hot. And the air coming out is just insanely hot. So, yeah. So unlike Van Berg's Panasonic, which has it's a 5800 BTU model and has a low charge, I think this one might just live to see another day. Because it's got its full charge. And it works really well. And the fan motor works really well too. Fan motor is really quiet, actually. Can't really hear it. Sort of like. So yeah, this one's gonna be going in my brother's shop for now. Now that I've confirmed that it has a full charge, and that it gets cold from the get-go, but it just gets even colder. So now that I know it's fully functioning, it's going to be going in my brother's shop for now, and I'll find a permanent home for it. Because this is too good of a unit to just sell off and throw away. Anyway, see you guys in the next one. And yes, I did the same test on that WCI Frigidaire. It fully fed in half the time that this thing does, so either it's just a really big unit and undersized compressor, the compressor's a little weak. I don't think it does not have full charge, because everything is sweating, and it's about to overflow the pan. So that's lovely. We'll see you guys in the next. I'm going to shut this off now. It's fully fed. It's been running for about half an hour. Hey, you can hear just the fan. Really quiet. Really quiet. On high. Can't even hear it on low. But, yeah. So yeah. See you guys in the next one.